ton of there's going to be a ton of, by the way, coughing because I recently got asthma and I cannot spell here. Ton of, by the way, coughing because I recently got asthma. Okay, now the sound is working pretty fine, so that's what we are going to do. I have no idea for the concept because I'm doing it for the first time, so we are going to see. Now, what I'm studying the MVC the Microsoft have provided in its website, and yeah, you cannot see that. You are going. Wait, what? Oh wait, yes, okay, now you can see. Sorry, I I have to check. Now, so I'm going to read this aloud, trying to understand myself too, while trying to explain it for you too, so that I can actually understand it better. Now, let's see. Here's the code, by the way. It's a walkthrough for that. The outsplit in this model binder takes the positive form values that creates the movie object that's passed as the movie parameter. The model state is valid verifies the data submitted to form and used to modify a movie object. If the data is valid, the movie is saved. Okay, the interesting thing is I don't know any GS, I don't know any HTML, so I'm just studying for the MVC itself. What the fuck was that? MVC itself. So if you check it, like in the code, there is a script that says render bundles jQuery verifier. Now, I don't fucking know what is the jQuery verifier, so let's check that. jQuery validation. Let's see what is that. Now, we will use the jQuery validation plugin to validate an HTML form. This plugin's basic functionality is to specify validation logic and error messages for HTML elements in JavaScript code. Fucking interesting. Now, here's a live demo of the HTML form validation using jQuery that we are going to build. See the page jQuery validation, see blah 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 blah. Key takeaways. First, include jQuery library, okay, understand the form. Before diving into implementation, let's compare manual and jQuery data validation plugin approaches to understand why the validation plugin stands out. Now, feature implementation. Custom code needed for each rule, more variables implementation. With jQuery, built-in methods, declarative rules, concepts, configuration-based setup. So I understand that it's automatically making it handle. Oh, okay. Okay, let's say we include it. So, creating a new HTML file named index.html, and by the way, a random information. Index means basically the default methods as far as I understood. Now, change the src attribute according to your installation paths. Okay. Include jQuery validation plugin. Okay, inclusion. Yeah. Create HTML file. In this registration form, we will use the following user information: first name, last name, email, and password. Fucking basic. So let's create our basic form containing these input fields. Dial class container. First we created a container class. We got a header registration. Form action. There's no action. Name registration for this action. No action. Is it like default action? Oh, okay. So my beloved ChatGPT, we can ask that. Explain. Okay, now it is saying that It means a self-submit. So when you see this, the result is going to go back into the page itself that we are on. Name, first name, input type, text, name, first name, ID, first name, placeholder, John. So there is a placeholder, and I think that's an attribute too. I don't know HTML, I don't know JavaScript. I only know C# for some fucking reasons that we might talk about later. So label for last name, input type, text, name, last name, ID, last name, placeholder, John. Now, okay, same thing. Okay, we have created. When integration this into an actual application, don't forget to fill the action attributes to the above code to ensure the form submit is correct. Okay, it is saying that, you know, this is a make away, but you should be more careful about that. So, create a style for the form, link, create a new file, CSS, style.css that includes the head section of your HTML snippet. I don't know the fuck about this, so I do not fucking understand this. I think it is styling. This works. How does this work? Like, we create a HTML file and we basically give the basics of the website, the ground base. Then we create a CSS so we can alter the HTML file that we have created into a more seductive way. That was an interesting thing to say. So let's see. Fuck. So when creating a website, we create a HTML file to make the basics to our page, then create a CSS file to make out its style. Is this correct? It is saying it is partially true, but it's not exactly that. HTML is page's skeleton. That is correct. It is correct. Now, yes, I cannot fucking speak. CSS style. Yeah, it presentation. Okay, we were correct. Fucking hell. I am correct. Yes, wait, wait. What the fuck is that sound? I thought I had filters on. Wait. No. I do not understand. This isn't the one that's supposed to work. Because there's no filters on this, so... But somehow, this fucking... I'm not happy with that. Oh wait, I think it might be fixed. But I just do not understand the fucking reason that this isn't working. Why this isn't working? I'm pretty sure that what the fuck? No. Oh wait, yeah, it was actually correct. Yeah, this is the default, I think. Now, let me hear myself now. Okay, now I do not fucking hear myself. Perfect. Hello. Defaults. Hello. 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 Do anyone hear me? Do you hear me? Do you? Oh. Yeah. Why the fuck does this sound shit?